come like fucking almost a simple. That's a big box, bro. I was very. All right.
Hey, since I don't like looking at instructions. Yeah! Alright, cool.
It's kind of cool.
Kinda cool.
Feel it, bro. My kid comes and hits his face on it. All like cheap trick wrap.
Oh.
I'll rubberized. This puny little chain came off my welder, and the beefier chain came off the Harbor Freight freaking welding cabinet. Welding cart. They call it a cabinet.
Well.
But we're gonna call it a cart because it's not a cabinet. Cabinets go on the fucking wall. They don't roll. What do you think, Matt? Like it?
Woo! The only thing I don't like is the keys are like right over the drawers. I'm gonna pull this to one side.
Yeah, that's it. But,
It is what it is.
let's go grab some consumables, right?
Yeah,
Little spot to hang up his hood. Woo woo. Throw his gloves on the shelf, probably right there. With the cayenne. Fuck yeah. Oh.
BSX.
Can't believe you haven't.
What?
Can't believe we haven't had one.
Cart?
Yeah, I can't believe we haven't had one.
No. I do like though how like, I mean, they click in place. You don't gotta worry about them just rolling open.
Yeah, that's a big plus. They like click.
Oh, you gotta push a little more.
Yeah, into place.
There it goes.
Like you have to have nails in your hands than me. Click these in. And they like, you hear that pop?
Got a nice pair of Swiss criminals down.
I feel like this drawer's never gonna come down. I feel like that's gonna stay up and that's gonna be like the tuck away. That's gonna be the underneath your table zone now. Minus the time.
I'd probably rather just throw all my extra gloves and shit and just leave it locked or closed. Like honestly, like.
Yeah. Kind of
I only use one set of gloves.
Yeah, I only use one set at a time, so I'll just throw extras in there, and if people need to borrow a pair of gloves, that's where they're at.
So what do you think? 4 stars? 5 stars? Recommend? I'd recommend it to somebody.
I give it 4. You know, without having, you know, a longevity test. Really,
Yeah.
how long is it gonna last? I don't know.
Yeah. But in a
I mean,
pinch,
it's got
you know, I mean,
decent-
it's way better than what we had.
Decent powder coat on it. I mean, it's okay. It's not gonna just fall apart probably tomorrow. Might take a couple of weeks.
We'll see how long it lasts, but right now it's a 4 star.